नमस्कार, क्लास 10 मैथमेटिक्स पॉलिनोमियल के थर्ड वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है। यहाँ पर हम बहुत सारे ऐसे क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे जो पॉलिनोमियल के कोफिशिएंट्स और उनके जीरोस के रिलेशन पर बेस्ड होते हैं। फाइन, जितने भी पॉसिबल टाइप हैं सभी टाइप को यहाँ पर डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, आइए देखते हैं। आइए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन लेते हैं। 6x² माइनस 3 7x। ये एक पॉलिनोमियल है। यहाँ पर दो काम करने हैं हमें। पहले तो इस पॉलिनोमियल के जीरोस फाइंड करने हैं और फिर जीरोस और कोफिशिएंट्स के बीच में जो रिलेशन है उन रिलेशन को वेरीफाई करना है। ओके, लेट अस सी। तो फॉर जीरोस, जब हम जीरो फाइंड करते हैं सो वी अप्लाई सर्टेन मेथड। हम क्या करते हैं, वी पुट px इक्वल टू 0। ओके, सो 6x² माइनस 3 माइनस 7x दिस बिकम्स 0। फाइन, प्रॉपर वे में लिखें 6x² माइनस 7x माइनस 3 इक्वल टू 0। फैक्टराइज करें 6 and 3. 6 into 3 is how much? 18. Now 18 के फैक्टर्स कीजिए, जिन फैक्टर्स को सेपरेट करके 7 आ जाए। ऑब्वियसली वो फैक्टर होंगे 9 and 2. So 6x² minus 9x plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Take common 3x, so it becomes 2x minus 3. Again take one common, so 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now this value is same. So take this value common, so 2x minus 3, and then we are left with 3x and 1. Fine. So we have two cases. Case 1, first factor is equal to 0, means 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, and second case, we have the second factor equal to 0. So 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So what is this? When this value is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 3, and hence x is equal to 3 by 2. So this x is actually our first zero. We generally represent the zero by alpha and beta. So we can say alpha is equal to 3 by 2. Fine. Now from here we get x is equal to minus 1 upon 3. This is nothing but beta. So this is the value of second zero. Okay, second zero is minus 1 upon 3. Now we have both the zeros alpha and beta. Now we have to verify the relations. Okay, let us see how we verify. Here alpha was 3 by 2 and beta was minus 1 upon 3. These were the two zeros. Now we rewrite the polynomial in the proper way. Okay, we know the general form of quadratic equation, right? In a similar way we write the polynomial also, quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so what is it? I just take it down and then we decrease the power of x, power of variable, by 1 and in this way proceed. Now what happens here? 6x² is coming at first place. यहाँ पर ध्यान दीजिएगा, what is happening? This constant term is coming in between. Okay, so we have to keep this constant term at the last, like this. Now x² x and then constant term, so it is in decreasing power of x. Fine. Now we compare with general polynomial. What we get? A is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to minus 3. We have a, b and c, all the three coefficients. Now what we have to do? We have to verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. Fine. So let us see first relation. First relationship. What is the first relationship between the zeros and coefficient? This is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. We have to verify this first relation. Okay, now how we verify? We see alpha plus beta. How much alpha plus beta? This is 3 by 2 and minus 1 upon 3. We sum or add these values. Fine. How much is this? 2 and 3, 6 LCM. So 2 3 is 6, 3 into 3 9 minus 3 2s are 6, so 2. So this is 7 upon and minus to 7 upon 6. This is the value of alpha plus beta. Fine. Now we find the value of minus b upon a. What is minus b upon a? Here b is clearly written here. So this is minus 7. What is a? A is 6. So negative negative becomes positive. So 7 upon 6. You can see both the values are same. Okay, this is also 7 upon 6. This is also 7 upon 6. So hence you conclude that alpha plus beta is actually equal to minus b upon a. Okay. So hence you can say first relationship is verified. Fine. Now we come to second relationship. What is the second relation? Let us see. This is alpha beta is equal to C upon A. Fine. Now we find alpha beta. What is alpha beta? Just multiply these two values. 3 by 2 into minus 1 upon 3. How much? 3 cancel. This is minus 1 upon 2. So alpha beta is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Fine. Now we find C upon A. देखते हैं C upon A क्या है? C upon A is how much? C. The value of C is minus 3. A is 6. Simplify कीजिए. Divide by 3. 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So minus 1 upon 2. So C upon A is also minus 1 upon 2. This value and this value you can see both are same. देख सकते हैं? These two values are same. Okay? Therefore, you conclude that alpha beta is equal to C upon A and hence both the relations are verified. Okay, you can write verified, you can write proved also. Fine. So this is how we verify the two relationship between the zeros of polynomial and the coefficients. Okay, I hope the method is clear to you. So this is a complete question. Okay, this sort of question comes in your examination. Fine. So you will have to find the zeros as well as you have to verify the relationships. Fine. Okay, now we have different polynomial where only two terms are there. It means the general term we know x square plus bx plus c. This is general polynomial. Here we see the x square term is there. Fine. But this coefficient of x or the term of x variable, it is not there. Okay. So what can we do? We rewrite this in the general form by inserting this term. Now you will say, sir, ऐसे कैसे insert कर सकते हैं? So you can always do it by putting this term equal to 0. Fine. It means अगर हम यहाँ 0 ऐड करें तो 0 will become 0 into x minus 5. ठीक है? तुमने क्या किया? टर्म भी आ गया और क्वेश्चन में कोई चेंज भी नहीं हुआ. Fine. So this is the polynomial now. Now you can cross check. What is A? A is 1. What is B? 0. What is C? Minus 5. Clear? Now let us find the zeros. For zeros, हम क्या करेंगे? We will put px equal to 0. ठीक है? What is px? x square minus 5 equal to 0 put करेंगे. So from here x square will be 5. You can see, take a square root, x will be plus minus square root 5. ठीक है? So we have two zeros, root 5 and minus root 5. ठीक है? So now we have zeros also. Now we have coefficients. ठीक है? अब बाकी है relations की. First relation. What is the first relation? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. ठीक है? So we are verifying this. देखते हैं what is alpha plus beta. See, root 5 and minus root 5. What is the sum? These are actually negative and positive, so they will cancel each other. So this is 0. Now we find minus b upon a. What is minus b upon a? What is minus b upon a? See, b is 0. So 0 upon a is 1. So this is also 0. You can see alpha plus beta is 0. Minus b upon a is also 0. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Hence, you have proved the first relation. Okay, you can write proved or verified. Fine. Now we come to second relation. What is the second relation? Alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Okay. Now we have to verify this relation. Now how can we do it? Let us see. Alpha into beta. What is alpha into beta? These are the values. Okay. Root 5 into minus root 5. So this and this becomes 5. Okay. There is a formula. Note down. Rule of indices. Root a into root a it always becomes a. ठीक है, this is the formula we have. So we apply this formula here, so it becomes root 5 whole square and minus sign is here. So this is nothing but minus 5. Now c upon a. What is c upon a? C is minus 5 and a is 1. So this is also minus 5. You can see both the values are same. Therefore, for beta is equal to c upon a. Okay, this you have proved. Okay, you have verified both the relations. Okay, verified is a little better word, fine. But sometimes if you write prove also, this will also work. Because exam want to see your mathematical ability. Fine, your English and grammatical error will certainly ignore. We want to check your mathematical ability. If that is perfect, you will not cut your marks. Now we have a different question. In this question, root terms are there. And generally students feel difficulty in dealing with such root terms. So I have taken this question. So आइए देखते हैं इन questions को कैसे करना है. You have to focus on your basic method. Okay, what the basic method says? Multiply these two values. So 4 root 3 into 2 root 3. How much? 4 2s are 8. 3 root 3 becomes 3. So this is 24. Now from 24, you have to find two factors such that their subtraction is how much? It is 5. ठीक है, अब बताइए कौन से दो फैक्टर ऐसे हो सकते हैं जिनको सेपरेट करें और 5 आ जाए. 24 can be 12 2s are 24. It can be 6 4s are. It can be 8 3s are. Okay, and some other factors can also be there. Fine. 24 into 1. तो यहाँ पर 8 into 3 is 24, but 8 minus 3 is also 5. So we take 8 and 3. So this becomes 4 root 3 x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 2 root 3. ठीक है, क्या किया हमने? दिस इज रफ वर्क. हमने क्या किया? इस 5 को डिकम्पोज कर लिया दो फैक्टर्स में, सो दैट उनका सब्ट्रैक्शन 5 आ रहा है, उनका मल्टीप्लाई करके 24. नाउ 4 root 3 and 8x इसमें कॉमन लेते हैं. We can take 4 and x is also common. So what is left here? Root 3 is left. देख सकते हैं 4 we have taken common, x we have taken common, root 3 is left. x पावर 2 थी तो एक पावर कॉमन आ गया. It means 1 power is left here. ठीक है, प्लस अब 4 से डिवाइड कीजिए 8 में, 2 जा 5, x ऑलरेडी कॉमन आ चुका है. So this is the term we have. Fine. Now minus is common. We have to keep the first term same. Okay, root 3x. तो root 3x सेम कब होगा? तो यहाँ पर कॉमन क्या लेंगे? root 3. Okay, let us take root 3 common. यहाँ root 3 से डिवाइड कीजिए, so we get root 3 and x. सेम टर्म आ गया. Now minus already we have taken common, so it will become plus root 3 or again common, so we are left with 2 only. आप देख सकते हैं both the factors are same, both the terms are same, so we take them common. root 3x plus 2. अब इस पूरे ब्रैकेट को ही हम कॉमन लेते हैं. Fine. So what is left? 4x and here we are left with root 3. अब आपने जब फैक्टराइज कर लिया है तो अब क्या करते हैं नेक्स्ट स्टेप? फॉर जीरोस क्या पुट करेंगे? px को इक्वल टू 0 पुट करेंगे. ठीक है, इट मींस दिस एंटायर वैल्यू विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट? 4x minus root 3. This value will be equal to 0. Now there will be two cases. Root 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 or 4x minus root 3, this term will be 0. यहाँ से root 3x is equal to minus 2, so x is minus 2 upon root 3. यहाँ से देखिएगा 4x is equal to root 3, so x is equal to root 3 upon 4. So we have two zeros, easy value नहीं है. Okay, तो घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. जैसे भी क्वेश्चन हो, you should be able to do that. मेथड को फॉलो करते रहिए, आपका क्वेश्चन जरूर होगा, आपका आंसर जरूर आएगा. अब हम वेरीफाई करते हैं रिलेशन. So we can see alpha is minus 2 upon root 3 and beta is root 3 by 4. ABC कंपेयर कीजिए, इसे ax square plus bx plus c से कंपेयर कीजिए. So you get a is equal to 4 root 3, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to minus 2 root 3. ठीक है, देख सकते हैं. These are the coefficients. Okay, zeros हमारे पास है, कोएफिशिएंट हमारे पास है. फर्स्ट रिलेशन की बात करते हैं. व्हाट इज फर्स्ट रिलेशन? अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज माइनस बी अपॉन ए। ठीक है, चलिए फाइंड करते हैं। सो अल्फा प्लस बीटा, व्हाट इज अल्फा प्लस बीटा? माइनस 2 अपॉन रूट 3 प्लस रूट 3 बाई 4। कितना है वैल्यू? चेक करिए। कैसे करेंगे? आपको एलसीएम लेना पड़ेगा। 4 और रूट 3 डिफरेंट नंबर्स हैं, तो इनका मल्टीप्लाई ही एलसीएम हो जाएगा। राइट, सो 4 रूट 3 डिवाइड कीजिए। सो 4 इंटू 2 8, 4 से डिवाइड कीजिए। रूट 3 इंटू दिस, सो दिस इज 3, सो माइनस 8 एंड माइनस 3, माइनस 11 अपॉन 4 रूट 3, दिस इज अल्फा प्लस बीटा। ओके, अब चेक करते हैं व्हाट इज माइनस बी अपॉन ए। ठीक है, b is how much? 5 and a is how much? 4 root 3. See, this is plus sign, right? So minus 8 plus 3, this is not 11, it is minus 5. You can see both the terms are same, right? Hence, we conclude that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. I hope clear होगा आपको। Second relation is alpha beta is equal to c upon a. ठीक है, so what is alpha beta? c multiply, so minus 2 upon root 3 into root 3 by 4 देख सकते हैं। root 3 कैंसिल, 2 से भी कैंसिल हो रहा है, so this is minus 1 upon 2. Fine. Now c upon a, what is c upon a? Put the value. c is minus 2 root 3 and a is 4 root 3. कैंसिल, रूट 3 कैंसिल कीजिए, 2 से कैंसिल कीजिए 2 टाइम्स, सो दिस इज आल्सो माइनस 1 अपॉन 2. बोथ वैल्यूज आर सेम. ठीक है, सो वी कंक्लूड दैट अल्फा इनटू बीटा इज सी अपॉन ए. एट लास्ट यू कैन से बोथ रिलेशंस आर वेरीफाइड. अभी इस चैप्टर में बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बाकी हैं जो बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में भी आते हैं और उनका कॉन्सेप्ट भी समझने के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो वी विल डिस्कस दोस क्वेश्चंस इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिए. ये टोटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है, आपको कुछ भी मनी पे नहीं करना है. विदाउट एनी हेजिटेशन, विदाउट एनी प्रॉब्लम आप शेयर कर सकते हैं, सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन राइट योर कमेंट्स. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.